So still we are getting a lot of queries that sir, when we should be starting the CSAT preparation. Understand one thing, now the prelims mode is almost activated for most of you, and the idea is very simple. I will place forward in front of you that right now you are in the last leg. I mean, if you delay your CSAT preparation beyond this time, you will be very late, very late. Okay. If you're someone who is not at all comfortable, or who is insecure regarding your CSAT as a paper, that is the most apt time. I mean, the last leg where you should be starting your CSAT preparation. And with that, I proudly announce the very famous, the very successful, and right now the choice of many serious aspirants, the CSAT batch being provided by Sunya IAS. So what we have realized that since we believe that most of you should be done with the CSAT by maximum 10th of March or maximum to maximum 15th of March, we are bringing a 45 days ka batch. In this batch, although termed as a crash course, but we will be dealing with all the basics, everything conceptually, all the topics of the CSAT, and we will ensure that you are the best contender again when it comes to the CSAT as an examination. So we will target at least you are securing 80 plus or maybe 100 marks in the CSAT, so that you're comfortable, you have the mindset that we have to just now work upon the GS paper. That is it. So the batch has already been recommended by many toppers, including the AI 1 in the previous years, and right now most of the serious aspirants are part of batch which we see at Sunya IAS very proudly, right? Very proudly. The idea is we do not focus upon the formulas, we do not focus upon the what I can say the this tricks and all those things. We go through the basics, we take up the current pattern of the UPSC, and that is how we execute the CSAT ka batch at Sunya IAS. If you want demo, you can check the description. If you want to know the price, you can check the description for the website link. The batch will be in both online, live and offline mode. Some part of the batch will be recorded, you will be notified about that. Then last thing, if you have any other queries, you will find a Google form in the description. You can also fill that form. And this is the last batch which we are bringing for the CSAT. Beyond this, we ourselves think that it will be very late. I mean, we cannot also help you beyond that thing. Now, if you are someone who is watching the video beyond 22nd of January, whatever classes has been done, you will find them recorded. You can always join the batch in like month of February, March, or whatsoever is your mindset, however you have planned your CSAT. The idea is whatever has been done will be provided as recorded, freshly recorded. I mean, you can watch it your laptop, phone, etc. very comfortably, and that is how the things will go from now. See you in the batch. Do not miss, do not postpone, please. Thank you. And do not let the CSAT be the blocker in your prelims. Thank you.